what's up guys? In this video, I will show you my top 4 free-to-play, play-to-earn games. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so let's start off with My Pet Hooligan. So My Pet Hooligan and AMGI Studios bring together a blockchain technology, gaming, and animation to create innovative products and provide fun digital experiences. So this one right here, as you can see guys, it is a shooting game. It started with 8,888 Genesis NFTs that are unique, fully rigged 3D characters that are posed to defend Web3 from the corporate overworld. Alright, so let me show you the game modes that are available in My Pet Hooligan. So there is a team deathmatch, which will be coming soon. Escalation Royale, alright, it's coming soon as well. You have social there as well. I like the look of the characters in here. It's cartoony and I feel that it's fun to play. Looking at this one right here, I feel like it's somewhat like Fortnite type. Alright, so the compatibility of this one guys, so the minimum requirements are on the left side. You'll be able to see that. And then the recommended would be the one on the right. And of course, you have a better rig than this, then the gaming experience would be a lot better. Alright, so that is My Pet Hooligan guys. Let's go ahead and check out the next one. It is Pirates of the Island. And looking at this one guys, it is also a free-to-play, play-to-earn game, and you could see that it's like a survival game looking at the images that they have in their website. So Pirates of the Island is the first game ever to combine a multiplayer online battle arena, so it's MOBA with an economic and strategy game in a pirate world. So Island ecosystem guys is designed to work on a blockchain so that all in-game assets will be NFT. And then this one right here guys is their roadmap. So back in 2021 Q4, that is when they started, and then right now we are almost at the end of Q3 guys, so they're almost all set and done with everything that they have. So we still have 1 full month before we end the Q3 of 2023. It's time flew so fast. I mean, it's a better year this year compared to last year in terms of like the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin right now is at right above 29,000 at the recording of this video. So go ahead and check out Pirates of the Island guys. They also have their white paper right here, and just like what I always tell you guys, always do your own research before starting to invest in projects. And the good thing about the play to earn games that I am featuring in this video is that it's free to play, so you can go ahead and try it out first before you even start investing money into it. All right, so that is Pirates of the Island. Moving on to the next, we have the Monopoly Millionaire game. All right, so this is the Monopoly Millionaire game guys. So Monopoly Millionaire game is a marine themed game that gives the players the chance to earn tokens from 9 different immersive games. So it's just like a gaming platform if you're gonna be asking me. So players can expect to earn MMG tokens, the gold coins, and treasure chest based on how long they play the game and hunting objects in the game as well. All right, so this one, you have introduction, you have all the things that you need to know about this project. And again guys, do your own research. All right, so if you click on the game here guys, you would see the casual games that they have. You have the top games as well, so they would definitely be adding more games as time goes by. You can go ahead and check this one out. Again, the good thing about this one guys is that it's free and you can go ahead and check it out first before you even start investing. And then they also would be having their staking platform. So in the DeFi part, they have been audited September 3, 2022, and then you could go ahead and check on the full report, which again, I would encourage you to do so and include on your research for the game as well. All right, so go ahead and check it out. Play the free-to-play part before starting to invest and seeing if this is something that would be of interest to you. And they also have their support down at the right bottom part of their website. So that is the Monopoly Millionaire game. Link to that will be in the description of the video. Go ahead and check them out as well. And then finally, the last one on our list, but definitely not the least, is the Arena of Faith. So Web3 revolution of the multiplayer online battle arena. I don't know if you guys like to play MOBA, but I love playing MOBA games because it's, you know, it's not taking a whole lot of time to, you know, battle and then end. You level up, you team up with other players as well, or, you know, you could also play free-for-all games. So as you can see here on your screen, it's kind of like, you know, Mobile Legends or the League of Legends or Dota, you know, Dota 2 that you guys are familiar right now. So with Arena of Faith, guys, you can challenge other players and invest in esports clubs and competitions as well. So Crystal is the heart of both teams base. So whichever team destroys the crystal of the opposing team wins the battle, just like what we have in the League of Legends, Mobile Legends, and all those good stuff. All right, so the equipment system is the core development part of the game, just like those other MOBA. Only by converting the gold coin resources accumulated by the players from various ways into equipment can the combat effectiveness be improved. So you can go ahead and check them out. Link to this will also be in the description of the video. And of course, just like what we always tell you guys, always do your own research. Stay at the end of the video, guys. We have end screen videos that you could go ahead and check out as well. And I feel that those videos will definitely be beneficial for you in terms of your cryptocurrency journey. All right, so that's it for now. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.